Avoiding the mispronunciation of commonly confused words requires consistent practice and attention to detail. Start by learning the correct pronunciation through reliable resources like dictionaries that provide phonetic transcriptions and audio clips, or apps like Forvo and Google Translate that offer native speaker pronunciations. It's also important to understand word differences, such as homophones and homographs, which might sound the same or look the same but have different meanings and pronunciations. To improve your pronunciation, break down difficult words into syllables and practice slowly, paying attention to word stress, as it can change meaning. For example, record as a noun versus a verb. Recording yourself and listening back can also help catch mistakes. Minimal pairs practice, where you focus on words differing by just one sound. For example, ship versus bow or sheep, will sharpen your ear for subtle differences. Lastly, listening to native speakers through videos and practicing tongue twisters can improve fluency and build confidence in tackling tricky words.